Well guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been away for a little while. I've been work. So I've been managing to work on some free time and work on the car. It's been really hard for me to record, but I promise this 2022 I will start recording and posting even more. I want to get this channel to grow. I want to get this Corolla to the next level. And I've been working, finished the manifold, installed it. I think the last thing I posted was the actual when I built the harness, or the circuit board actually. So I managed to build the harness. I didn't record none of that. Little by little I've been managing to get the car together and running. Finally took it for a little spin yesterday, and I will get some more of that footage going on here soon. So I will post some of that footage soon. I did change the channel's name. I put Shaddai Built now. I will explain that in some of the video. Today is the last day of the 2021, and I wanted to not go by without posting anything. So I got the car outside, and I will show you the progress. Stay tuned. So I got the Corolla right here, finally outside the garage after a year. So open the engine bay. It is powered by Fuel Tech. Let me put this thing on. Little by little, could be possible. Don't have enough room here because of the actual brake master, but I will at one point get all that deleted, put just the master back there by the firewall. So the only thing left on the car that I have to do would be the wastegate dump. I'm gonna go ahead and route it straight to the exhaust downpipe right over there. So can be done, guys, little by little. Intercooler, you guys already seen that in the previous video. So right now I'm gonna take you guys for a spin. I only got like a 5 pounds wastegate spring in it, so let's give this a shot. So for you guys that follow me on Instagram, you already guys seen this. I mounted the Fuel Tech right there. I got the fuse panel over there. Sorry guys, I had a little inconvenience with the battery. Like I said, only got like a 5 pound spring. I started there. step action. It's working. So that was just a little mild tune that I did yesterday. It's only 5 psi. So now it's a matter of wrapping the boost and get it working. But the car is finally out and running after so long. But sometimes, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Some things are first, you know. So this is my hobby, so we'll continue pursuing it. So